Okay. Hi, where are you from?
I'm from the U.S.
From the US. And then, what's your name, please?
My name is Eugene.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. I'm Gloria. Okay, so this is our new product. Okay, you can open it. How do you feel?
Very good.
Very good.
Smooth.
It's easier to
Very,
breathe.
yeah, very smooth. It opens up. Feel it.
Okay.
I like it.
Thank you. Thank you. Can we share this video online?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.